How to reset password on Agent Bazar step-by-step process. Start by visiting agentbazar.in. Here, you'll see the Agent Bazar login screen. Below the login fields, click the link that says Reset Password. Now, enter your user ID in the field provided, and click the Submit button. Password reset link sent to your email. Go to your email inbox. Find the mail from Agent Bazar and open it. Click the link that says, Change your password. You'll be redirected to the Password Reset page. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing again in the second field. When you're ready, click Submit. You'll see a pop-up that says, Your password has been reset successfully. Open your Gmail. A confirmation email will also be sent to your inbox, letting you know that your Agent Bazar password has been reset. That's it. You can now return to the login page and sign in with your new password. Thank you for watching the video. To stay connected with the Agent Bazar community, follow our website and transform how you support your client at every stage of travel. To never miss a travel update, subscribe on YouTube.